We are booking our flight to go to Ireland.
Yeah.
In 2 weeks. To go look at a car, which you'll see later on in the video. But we have row 19 available, which is my race number, so... Ah! Why is Pippa Brown first? Get out of here. There we go. Alex, sorry Smithy, when you watch this, you're on the end, mate. Unlucky.
I don't want to be on the old.
But yeah, so we'll see you when it's the day and we're going to the airport. It's exactly a week today until we go.
Come on now, everybody!
Until we go to Ireland, and we're looking up ferry
Because
we have no idea what we're doing. We're trying to get an idea of what the fuck we're doing.
Didn't realise it's going to be 3.5 fucking hours.
Smith thought it'd be an hour.
25 mile an hour.
Yeah, Smith thought it'd take an hour to get there on a ferry. We searched up, yeah, ferries averagely do at 25 miles an hour. So
yeah.
Yeah, Smith didn't realise it took 3 hours or 3.5 hours. But yeah. What time is it, Pip?
It is 10:30.
Your boy, the day before. I'm gonna try and get some sleep because
Try.
we're getting off at 10. Sorry.
No, it's
Half 3. Right, we'll be back in the morning, bright and early, when my eyes are like piss holes in the snow. I'm just smoking up. Time to get ready. We're on the way.
Come on.
Got the big man driving.
Say hello, Dad. Come on. Yo, mates.
Yeah, it's pitch black.
4:14. 4:14.
There you go.
And a lovely track.
Yeah. I'll film again when we're in the airport, getting a big old breakfast.
We're definitely not going to say anything silly in the airport.
As I was speaking, we've literally just sat down from getting a cup of tea after ordering it, and it came like 5 minutes probably. Mad timing. Time to scran. We're up there somewhere.
Just looking at there.
Yes. Bear stuff down here. Look at all this. Loads of shit. Don't know if you can film it.
Aftershave?
No.
Why not?
Fuck's sake.
Da Vinci. Come on. Walking to the gate.
We're gate 46, so 10-minute walk apparently. Yeah.
Fucking big old plane.
Your boy made it. Check out the whip.
Sam sitting on a shitty tissue.
Look at that. Yeah, boy.
Made it.
Vlog section. Let's go. How long do I have to wait?
4 hours.
50 minutes. Well, we'll be back when we're on the plane. Yeah, boy. Well, you can't see, but we're moving.
Hi, suckers.
We're moving.
Come on.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Come on. We've got louder chasers now.
I ain't catching up.
Yeah, boy.
We're nearly there. We're descending now. Yeah, it's just going in flight time.
I'm going to finish on my own.
We've got 2 drinks. £5.80 for 2 drinks.
2 cans of drink.
And that's why you buy.
We'll get back to you when we're on the floor. All the houses are are so neatly arranged. Look at that.
Oh yeah, these are the house.
Coming down. Made it. What you gotta do is you gotta rip that e-brake. Fuck's sake. Right, so we're now walking in Ireland. Yeah, boy. We just got to find the man with the Mark II. She's come to pick us up. I've got his location on my phone, so hopefully we'll see it when we see it. I see it. It's over there. I need to stand still. There it is. There it is.
Zebra crossing it.
They actually make a noise. Oh, they do. Wait, it's not fresh. You can't go yet.
Where'd they go?
Maniac.
Okay, good.
I mean, it's still red, but I get right.
It's good we're not in America.
Oh, I can see it now. There she is. There she is. Excited? I am. Oh.
Hella nasty, get it.
What the fuck?
This seat is too
What the fuck are we doing, bro?
I don't want that ass and fit in the seat.
Oh, bro.
We have.
We're in a fucking mountain! Come on!
Sam has officially bought it. We are now on the way to the ferry and then the long drive home.
Oh shit, I can't put it on my story, can I?
Yeah, that's right.
Mate, he is sound as fuck.
Yeah, it was really nice guy
yeah.
actually. Highly recommend. Was it Express Import?
Express Import.
Yeah, highly recommend
Big up
him.
Dean.
He was very
That
lovely.
name.
Yeah.
Deanio.
Dean Ferguson.
Steep hill.
It was a steep hill.
Look at the EP. Oh, yes!
His first move down my flutter and he nearly
Because you took that thing off. It didn't do that before. He was like, do you want the plug unplugged? I was like, fuck yeah, I want the plug unplugged.
Come on, Jay, baby!
Oh mate, yes. Oh, when you get that
Where are we going?
I don't know.
We haven't even set maps. We're going to set max and then we'll be back.
Oh, mate, yes!
Beep up, Sammy!
I just bought it and it's fucked. Mate, we're driving a fucking
And it goes. Got water.
Are you excited?
gas! Come on!
It sounds so
when it's got the airport
good.
on, it's going to be so much louder as well. Right, so we got to the ferry 2 hours early. Because, yeah, we got through it a bit quick, so me and Smithy are sat in the back. Smithy's getting a tattoo. I'm watching Hot Boy while eating mayonnaise. A pen tattoo. And then, yeah, so We'll wait till we can go on the ferry. The car feels sick as well, and it goes so what's not to like? It has electric mirrors, they work. We're just finding little quirks with the car, which is cool. But yeah, so that's where we're at anyway. So we're gonna try and relax and maybe get some sleep before the long drive home. So we've set up camp. This is currently how we are. Yeah, in the back of a JZX100 in Ireland, trying to go to sleep, and the ferry's there.
Well, we think that's the ferry anyway.
Oh yeah, we assume that's the ferry. Fuck knows really. Pip's just woken us up by saying we're moving.
No, it's
so...
on Instagram.
Oh no, these look horrible.
Yeah, so I woke them up because they basically both fell asleep, and I was like looking around. I was like, yeah.
Hold on, wait for the dose. Wait for the dose. Oh, let me get off this. That was a mini one.
And Jason just let us wait for a second till Sam Smith had woken up. On we go.
I don't know if I should be filming this while I'm driving. Probably not.
Maybe not.
I think we're going the right way. We have no idea. We're off. This is how fast we're going. Wonder why it takes 3 hours and 20 minutes. But we've got food. It tastes about as much as the cardboard that I'm eating off of.
Mine's alright.
Pip likes hers. Smith, do you like your burger, mate?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now we have 3 hours and 20 minutes? Is it? Yeah. We're going this fast.
We get to Holyhead at 20 past 6.
20 past 6, yeah. So when we get back it'll be dark, which sucks, but yeah. There you go. Smith wants a bev after this, so we're going to go get him a beer after this, because there's a bar upstairs. So.
Fruit sandwich drink.
Yeah, there you go.
Celebratory drink.
Celebratory drink. I'm going to finish eating this cardboard, and then we'll be back. Man, it's got a fucking arcade in it. The ferry has an arcade. Okay. The cinema, where's the cinema? I'm cinema. Right, we're going to go up and try and see if we can get on the top. I don't know if you can. I don't know if we can get on the top, but we're going to have a go. Can you go up there? Oh, sweet. Cheers, lad. Didn't know you was there. Oh, is it going to set some alarm off? Can we go out here? Doesn't say you can't. God, it's mad up here. Look at this. Oh, I've had to find the. It's got a handle on it.
Nah, we're right.
Be alright. Look at this. This is mad, bro. Oh. What? Fucking hell, bro. We're fucking high up, haven't we? God, dear. It's mad up here. We're up. We found a bit where there's no wind, so yeah, it looks crazy. This is probably normal to everyone else, but we've never been on a ferry, so it's just pretty mad. I think the JZX is just below us. Oh yeah. It's got a bozo wing, mate. It's got a drag wing. Only got a 6 hour drive home now, boys.
So glad to see the UK.
Such a knobhead.
Hello!
Fucking cock. Nah, I ain't looking at you, bruv. Well, it looks mad though.
Hello down there!
Oh, I see where we're coming off.
Big sense when we leave this boat, boy.
Let's go get in the JZX, boys. We need to warm it up.
Is it still in?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, baby! Come on!
She's sitting sweet, mate.
Woohoo! Time you get this steep home, I reckon.
Yeah, boy.
What do you reckon, bro?
Oh, let's get her home.
Let's get her home.
Oh, she is sexy. Trust me.
Oh.
The door's coming down, so.
I had a nap.
Not long to go. Only 4.5 hours.
Oh, bro, don't forget your Lucasade from Ireland.
Oh yeah, Irish Lucasade.
Irish Lucasade.
Oh, we've also found out you can change the colour of this. awful radio, so we're going to leave it pink so it looks cool. So, fuck it. Off we go. Here we are. We made it pretty much out the port now. Radio looks cool.
It does.
Philippe. What is it? 4.5 hours without stop, so it'll be about just over 5 hours probably.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So we'll get home at 11 if no stop. So probably like half 11 or 12, maybe 12 the latest.
But yeah, there we go. So we'll see you on the flippity flip.
Bye.